As you can see, we managed to cast our columns yesterday. Class 30, good quality concrete, good vibration. You can see the columns had very nice formwork. The bracing was perfect. Now you can see the columns came out. Nice work, neat work. You can see we've done curing twice a day. The work is looking good. The work is looking nice. We're putting in a lot of our time. You can see we're doing the cleaning of our slab. Tomorrow we are starting the walling. We want to do masonry work so that we can proceed together with the shutter for the slab. Now the importance of doing masonry works and before doing the shutter for the slab is that first of all it reduces the costs in as far as how much formwork you're going to be using, because it will reduce the props for supporting the formwork, to reduce how much formwork is supposed to cut for the bottoms of the beams, because you know our beams are only 300 to 50 and 200. So if we do masonry works, it will be able to support the beams, the bottom of the beam, so we'll not be able to cut as much formwork as possible. It will reduce that. Also, it's going to avoid cracking at the joint where the masonry work meets the beam, because you know most of the time we improvise doing a chicken wire and those joints so that we can avoid the cracking in such kind of joints. But now if you're doing masonry works before doing the shutter for the slab and the beams, which means you're able to avoid that kind of thing. It's also going to avoid the cost of having as much chicken wire as possible, because now if you're doing your plaster, everything will be joined together because you casted it together, so there's no need for that. There'll be no cracking, as you can. And also the other thing is that it helps you to know how perfect your plumbing is, how perfect your electrical work is, because now you can see we have the plumbing pipes here already within our slab. We have if I can just take you here, we have this a rundown pipe. We have this a floater for the washroom. You can take this one. You can see these are plumbing pipes, and the plumbing pipes are supposed that this is the PR 32mm Danco PM20. This is a wash and basin pipe. So if at all if you do your masonry work right now, you'll be able to know whether your plumbing is on point or your plumbing outside has not been positioned well. It will help you also when you come to electrical works, because now you know we are doing electrical works and you're dropping our sockets from the top of the slab to the down one of the wall, so you'll be able to locate your wall easily without having to figure out so much on whether your wall is okay or it's away from the on whether your pipe is away from the wall. So if we do masonry work, those are things that we are going to be avoiding. So tomorrow and in the morning we have done the cleaning of the slab, we've done the curing of the slab, the material has been organized, everybody is ready. Tomorrow we're waking up with a good mindset, knowing that we're going to be proceeding with the masonry works. This is on my schedule. Masonry work is only for this house. I'm having it's the lower duplexes, there are 2, and I'm also having 2 4 bedrooms. So I have a target of only 4 days so that the masonry works is done and we proceed with the shutter for the slab. So far I can say that the work is good, the work is neat. Focus on the neatness of your work, focus on the making sure that your work is well organized, your work is neat, so that you know these ones are our ducts. You can see these are ducts. This is a plumbing duct. You can see we have 2 pipes already. There is one for the bedroom and one for the because for bedrooms are 2, so one for the other, one for bedroom, one for the other for bedroom. This is an electrical duct here. It's going to be utilized later. It hasn't reached yet, but as far as whatever I'm saying right now, I'm just saying that focus. If you put in your time, if you put together a good team, you're able to assemble yourself. You're able to assemble together a very nice product at the end of the day, because you're putting your time, you're putting good workmanship. You've motivated your team members to be able to bring out very nice work like this. You can see our columns have the overlaps already. We're going to proceed from there onto the next slab. Yeah, you can subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to create very nice content for you, so you can be able to learn as much as possible. You see our columns have no honeycombs at all. They're well vibrated. There is no anywhere you say that the pocket is not rich. If you look around, the column is just perfectly put together. This is a result of good vibration, good concrete cover, good alignment of your reinforcement within the formwork to make sure that your formwork has been arranged, your reinforcement has been aligned at the center of that column, so you're able to achieve such kind of neat work. Yeah, thank you so much. Subscribe, you learn a lot. This channel is going to be sharing a lot of content as far as engineering, structural engineering, construction related topics, in as far as electrical plumbing works. You're going to be able to expose yourself, you're going to be able to learn a lot. I'm a hands-on engineering manager, and I'll be able to share with you as much content as possible, share my knowledge with the wider world, so that you can be able to, we learn together by learning from different people. Thank you so much. My name is Charlie.